I'm gonna watch the window.
No, you're not.
Yeah, me too. No. You can't watch the window. It's gonna do your ear. How you gonna watch the window? Oh. Get all the safety gear on anyway. Yeah. Your earplugs, a helmet, and glasses on. Yeah. This is what I look like now. You're gonna get hit by a pumpkin. 1 is glasses. 2, hard hat. 3, headphones. Then 1 earplug, just so you can still hear a little bit for people that's talking to you. It's like size steps to golfing.
What?
YouTube. MeTube? YouTube. YouTube? Yeah, tube. YouTube. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel, literally. I have a channel, you know. I don't care.
Okay. Let's go, sisters.
Please like this because it is awesome. I'm naked! Woo!
Okay.
Watch it be an epic fail.
This is gonna be fucked. No, this is not gonna be a fail. This is gonna be fucked up. Alright, let's go, sisters.
You ready to run?
Huh?
So be ready to run. Be ready to run? Yeah, Trevor. Us or Trevor? Trevor. I'm kind of scared. Okay, we'll be okay. You might not be, but...
Come on, bitch. Burn.
Totally not burning. Your face closes with the bomb. Good.
Oh my god.
Okay, now get away. Get away. It's gonna take like 10 minutes.
Oh,
oh no, there it goes!
as soon as it hits the gunpowder.
Oh god, there it goes!
No, it's hitting the powder. It's hitting the powder. Oh yeah, no, it's hitting the powder. Oh, it's gonna...
Plug your ears.
I think. Come on, baby. Don't disappoint.
Otherwise, it's gonna be a lethal pumpkin on our balcony.
Tape? Or what? No, it's going inside. It's going inside. It's going inside.
The drama.
Fucking M80 inside that thing.
Don't go towards it. It'll go off randomly then. Seriously. It's like a candle in the wind that eventually go bang!
It's gonna fucking go. Just you don't know when.
You're fucking serious! Go off, you damn pumpkin!
It's gonna go. Eventually.
Eventually! Wait. Oh, let's go inside! Oh my god. If this is filmed a week and we all get scared and I wear a hard hat and glasses, then this is just... It'll go on. It'll take a while. If not, we're going to have a deadly pumpkin on our balcony.
Holy fuck.
One day. It's like totally burning like a candle.
It's gonna... Boom! Fuck you.
Come on! Damn it!
Seriously.
Burning like a candle! You can't even go near it now because it's like burning at the top.
You have to be fucking kidding me.
You better be good when you explode!
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Moving back a little bit more. Oh, flame's getting a little bigger. Whoa, look at that. Flame got bigger.
Oh. What the fuck?
Watch out for that break off. It's like those tapes are burning out.
Gonna fall.
Watch out, Trevor! I'm trying to take a video. You're
I'm gonna go any fucking second. Oh,
The pumpkin is burning.
Okay. Fuck me.
20 minutes
It's
later.
gonna shoot flaming fucking teeth, too, in every direction.
Tape.
flaming tape. I don't want to get burnt.
You're wearing everything and you're behind us. What the hell?
You think it's going to blow up?
I don't know.
I think it's just...
There's a lot of gunpowder in there. Look at that spark. Are we just cooking?
Come on.
Are we just cooking a pumpkin now? Or
If we cook pumpkin seeds, that's going to be cool.
are we giving up?
Oh.
I'll give up. But I'll leave my...
Should we get another one?
What are you going to do? Throw it at it?
We don't have any more explosives, though, do we?
No. That was the last two.
Well, maybe I'll fucking dump some fucking gunpowder on it.
Oh, careful. Don't die.
Let's just listen for the boom. Wait, I can take it off now since I'm in house, right? I don't have to cover my ears still. Okay. Okay. My dad.
Oh, wait, he went out there. Go look.
Oh my god. Oh no, but wait. I don't want to do it.
Another
Scared.
firecracker, right?
Oh my god.
Oh. It is starting to burn, too.
Serious? Dad.
Oh, yeah. There's a big flame shooting out of that one, too.
You gonna come?
Yeah, go.
I'm trying to... I'm scared there's gonna be flames falling on me.
No, it won't. Look at that part. It's a little pumpkin, dude.
Maybe I'll...
Fucking the little guy's starting to burn, too.
Quite a little burn.
Come on. Burn.
It's like glowing.
We're gonna have a burnt pumpkin on our balcony tomorrow.
Pumpkin pie.
No, the other one's starting to fucking get some fucking gunpowder, too.
How's it burning so much? Not glowing.
No. Loose gunpowder, not tight.
Yeah. Think it's gonna do it?
No.
It's probably getting super soggy inside now. Pumpkin's gonna sweat when it burns.
Put a fucking firecracker right on the top, too. Come on, ladies. Let's do this.
I'm not going close to that.
The flame just went out.
No, it's going.
Pumpkin's black.
It went out.
Where'd it go?
It actually went out.
No.
It actually went out.
You probably just burnt all the powder then.
It actually went out.
Oh shit! There's a flash. You see that?
Okay, that's probably still, that's alive.
Yeah, don't touch that.
Oh my god.
It's still flashing.
It's like flashing.
Yeah. Oh my god, there's a little wick.
Is it?
There's a wick.
It's burning.
Are you serious?
It's alive.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh my god, it's... Oh, it's gonna go. It's gonna go!
No!
I'm scared.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
It's getting really big now.
It's gonna go. Fuck, it's gonna go.
Why does it keep doing that?
There's a ghost on our balcony.
It's gonna go. actually gonna blow.
You think
Let's
so?
go fucking sit inside. Just let it be.
We're just gonna hear a bang?
No, it's gonna be a little while before I go.
Okay.
Just let it be.
This could be one long YouTube video.
We're just gonna hear a bang.
Okay, my YouTube video. My YouTuber. Okay.
Did you get the other one?
What? Okay.
Well, like,
You're videoing not yourself, you got a bunch of shirt.
Carolyn.
What? Oh. Now am I good?
No.
Good?
You need to zoom out.
Is there no more
Oh,
pretzel?
sorry. Okay, is this good now?
Yeah.
Okay. It may take a while. We may hear a boom.
Oh my god! Yep, that was it!
Boom!
Oh
my god!
I told you it was gonna go!